हेलो एवरीवन। तो आज के इस वीडियो सेशन में हम देखने वाले हैं कि प्रैक्टिकली हाउ टू इंस्टॉल Node.js फॉर विंडो ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. So first we go to the official website of a Node.js. Now as we see the official page of a Node.js, after that we select a download option in a given ribbon. After selecting a download option, we see the options like a window installer, Mac installer and source code. As we working on a window, so we select a window installer MIS based on the bit version of your window OS, like a 32-bit or 64-bit. Now here we are selecting a window installer MIS latest version of a Node.js and wait it for the complete download of a Node.js version. So as we see, a download process is completed. Now here we do right click on a Node.js version and select the installation option. इसके बाद हम नेक्स्ट ऑप्शन के ऊपर क्लिक करेंगे. Now select the checkbox for the accept the terms and click on next option. So the next window पे आप destination folder select कर सकते हो जहाँ पे आपको install Node.js module और program store करने हो. By default इस path पे C drive में program file रहती है. So as per your choice you can change this path by selecting on a change button. In this screen we have to see custom setup with regard to the kind of feature of Node.js you want to be installed. So here we have to see the list of icon like a Node.js runtime, core package manager, npm package manager, online documentation and add to path. So based on your requirement you can select these icons and make changes in the features. Now we click on the next button. Now in this screen we have to see a tool for the native modules. It means some npm module need to be compiled from the C or C++ when we have to install. So if we want to be able to install such module, we have to need to be install these module. So click on a checkbox for automatically install the necessary tools and click on next button. So now we're ready to install a Node.js. So click on install to begin the installation. Now here we wait while to set up the Node.js. Now in this screen we have to see complete the Node.js setup. So our Node.js installation is set up successfully. Now click on finish button. Now here we have to observe one more screen for tools for the Node.js native library to install script. Right now we don't have to require any additional tool. That's why we cancel this process. Now here we are completing a Node.js installation. Now I want to be check is this Node.js working on my window OS. So that's why we are selecting a command prompt. Okay, so in that command prompt we passing one command. Through that command we will clear idea about our Node.js will be installing or not. So यहाँ पे हम एक command pass करेंगे like a node then space dash version. So जिसके थ्रू ये command मुझे वर्जन आईडी प्रोवाइड करेगा. सो इससे सिंपली इंडिकेट हो जाता है कि मेरा Node.js यहाँ पे इंस्टॉल हो गया. सो यहाँ पे हमें दिख रहा है कि हमारा Node.js वर्जन जो है वो v20.11.0. तो हमारा Node.js का जो सेटअप है वो कंप्लीट हो गया यहाँ पे.